Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 3, Session 12, Electron Configuration and Valence Electrons. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to write basic electron configurations and identify valence electrons. Listen for these key terms: orbital, energy level, electron configuration, valence electron, octet. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Electron configuration describes how electrons are arranged in energy levels and sublevels. For grade 11 chemistry, the most important practical idea is valence electrons, the outer electrons that participate most directly in bonding and chemical reactivity. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Use the periodic table as an electron map. Main group elements in the same group have the same number of valence electrons, which is why they often form similar ions or bonds. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now, let's work an example. Using the periodic table. Sodium is in group 1, so it has one valence electron. It tends to lose that electron and form Na+. Chlorine is in group 17, so it has 7 valence electrons. It tends to gain 1 electron and form Cl-. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. For oxygen, the electron configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The outer level is n equals 2, and it contains 2 plus 4 equals 6 valence electrons. That helps explain why oxygen often forms 2 bonds or an O2- ion. Now answer this self-check. How many valence electrons does sulfur have? A strong answer should include 6. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Write the electron configuration for magnesium. Task 2. Identify the valence electrons for nitrogen. Task 3. Explain why sodium and potassium have similar chemical behavior. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.